Hey, zero semester students! Welcome back to EduTube, your go-to channel for all things CS001 and MATH001 at Virtual University, Pakistan. We've already covered lectures 17 to 23, and today we're diving into lecture 24, the central tendency of a data set. If you're getting ready for your final exams, this lecture will help you understand a key concept that's easy to apply and crucial for analyzing data. So grab your notes, get comfortable, and let's break it down step by step. Ever wonder how we summarize a whole data set with just one number? Well, that's what the central tendency is all about. It's a way of describing a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or typical point. We'll explore three main measures today: mean, median, and mode, and show you how each one works with real-life examples. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to tackle these concepts like a pro in your exams. Lecture breakdown. Today, we're focusing on how to find the center of a data set. When we have a lot of data, it's hard to understand it all at once, so we look for the central value that represents the whole data set. This is known as central tendency. Let's take a closer look at the three most common measures of central tendency. 1. Mean. 2. Median. 3. Mode. Let's break each one down. 1. Mean average. The mean is the most common way of finding the central value. It's what you usually think of when you hear the word average. To calculate the mean, 1. Add up all the numbers in your data set. 2. Divide that sum by the total number of values in the data set. Example. Let's say you want to find the average marks of 5 students in a class. The students scored the following marks: 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Steps. 50 plus 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 equals 350,350 divided 5 equals sine 70. So the mean is 70. 2. Median. The median is the middle value in a data set when the numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order. 1. If there's an odd number of values, the median is the middle one. 2. If there's an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Example, let's take another set of marks for 5 students: 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Since there's an odd number of values, 5, the middle value is 50. So the median is 50. Now let's look at an even-numbered set: 10, 30, 50, 70. The two middle numbers are 30 and 50, so we take the average, 30 plus 50, 2 equals sine 40. Thus, the median is 40. 3. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. There can be no mode, one mode, or multiple modes if 2 or more values appear the same number of times. Example. Let's say we have the following set of marks: 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50. Here, 40 appears the most 3 times, so the mode is 40. Quick revision. 1. Mean, add all the values, then divide by the total number of values. 2. Median, the middle value when the data is ordered. 3. Mode, the value that appears most frequently. So today we've covered 3 important measures of central tendency: the mean, the median, and the mode. Remember, each of these measures can give you a different perspective on your data, so it's important to choose the right one depending on your data set. Whether you're dealing with average scores, middle values, or the most common results, these concepts will help you make sense of the numbers. That's a wrap on today's lecture. I hope you now feel more confident about the central tendency of data. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTube for more helpful videos. And if you haven't seen our previous lectures, 17 to 23, be sure to check them out to keep your preparation on track. Good luck with your final exams, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.